What's up, guys? I'm making another video. Today we're gonna be working on the wagon. So I'm gonna be replacing the oil pan and the gasket as well. Been having oil leaks, so decided to just get a new oil pan, replace it, and then after that, I'll be giving you guys more updates on the hatch as well. So just stay tuned. Okay, guys, for the oil pan removal, you're gonna need to take off the 14. There's 3 of them. This is for the header. Then you're gonna have these 2 as well. These are 12, and then you got the exhaust. Took it off right here. This is only if you have it stock, because you have this little bracket, and then these are the 14s you have to take off as well, because you're gonna have to take off the little shield here too, be able to get the other nuts and bolts for the oil pan. You can take it off. See if you can see, mine's still leaking down here. I replaced the bolt and the washer, but it was still leaking from under here. So I don't know. When I took it to the track, I know I wiped out from the track, but I didn't spun out like crazy off track. But I'm guessing it probably took some hit and damaged it. And that's how the leaking started happening after that. So we're gonna be replacing this today with a new gasket as well. So you got all the tins, bolts and nuts all around. Okay, after taking it off, just make sure you guys want to clean the edges before putting a new gasket on, and put some of the Honda Bond on the edge, on the round surface here, on this side too, for the gasket. Avoid of leak. So I don't know if this is the original gasket. I don't know if it's been replaced before, but looks pretty clean under here. Gasket came off real quick, so we're gonna put the new one, guys. So oil pan's installed, guys, with a new gasket. So for the Torx, it's 9 pounds. And if you guys need a diagram, I'll upload a diagram on it in the video, so you guys could get a visual of how to do it. So it would be from the middle, 1, 2, and then I believe this was the 3rd one on this side, and then the 4th, and it'll just go like that, back and forth. So now just put everything back, and then put some oil on it, and turn it on and check for any oil leaks. Keep you guys updated. And everything's back together, guys. The exhaust, the bolts, the bracket over here too. Everything's back. So time to put some oil on it. Alright, everything's done, guys. Just finished putting oil, letting it run. Just checking if there's any oil leaks on it. You always want to double check. It's looking promising, but let's see. I'm gonna let it warm up for a good 10 minutes, and then we'll check it. I think we're golden. Ladies and gentlemen, mission accomplished. On to the next.